Oh yeah, this is bomb.
All right, that's good. There we go. First thing we want to do with this is we want to crisp up the bacon. Use your air fryer, people. The air fryer is a wonderful tool. It actually makes the best bacon right now. It cooks it fast, doesn't take long, 400 degrees, and about 10 to 13 minutes, depending on the thickness of the bacon. Now, what I also want to do is I want to toast my buns. Now, I actually had some garlic butter left over in the refrigerator, so I'm just going to use the garlic butter. Actually, garlic butter was probably the best thing to have. And don't forget, if you want to make your own garlic butter, watch one of my videos for our compound butter. It's in, I think on the live one that we did, and I'll show you actually how to make your butter from scratch. So after we get the buns toasted, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of butter, and we're going to add 4 eggs. That's 2 eggs per burger bun. Now, if you're using Texas toast, I would say 4 because the bread is a little longer and you need more. And you want to actually add a little bit of salt, not much, very little salt, and you want to add a little bit of white pepper. White pepper is good because you don't see the flakes in it, and it does still give that extra little flavor to it. Now, I cooked the eggs right before they were going to be completely done. So they're going to continue to cook, and then I just topped my cheese on it because I knew the eggs were still so hot, it'll melt my cheese. Now, we're going to add that crispy bacon. Look at that bacon, see? Very simple. I didn't have to worry about it, I had to think about it. Just watched a little bit here and there is my bacon. It's completely nice and crisp. And I have 2 different types of cheeses right here. I have American cheese, which gives you that creaminess, creamy texture when you bite into it. And then I also have that Kobe Jack cheese. Now I like Kobe Jack cheese because it has that a little sharper taste to it, but I do love American cheese. Now, this breakfast today was actually made for the front office. They do so much for us, so I wanted to make sure that I took care of them today. Most likely later on this week, I'll probably be taking care of the maintenance people because they do such hard work and they help us out so many times. So I figured I'd give them a treat. So I actually love to add a little strawberry jelly on here. Now, I did not make my strawberry jelly like the leasing manager asked me earlier. Huh?
This is for me?
Yeah, you get one of those too, yeah.
Oh yeah, this is bomb.
All right, that's good. There we go.
It is, that bacon is good.
Mm-hmm.
You know what it's missing? Some ketchup.
Oh no. What? Oh no.
No, but it's so good.
No.
For real. This one's good. I believe you.
Mm-hmm.
Would you put in the eggs like garlic butter?
The toast is actually done with the garlic butter. So I did toasted it with garlic butter. Eggs literally only have black pepper and a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. Because you want everything else
They're
to
so
kind of...
fluffy.
Yeah, I use a lot.
Yeah, no.
I use butter. No.
No?
No milk at all.
Fluffy?
Yeah.
My eggs don't be coming out like this.
You gotta subscribe to the channel and I'll show you how to do it.